Welcome to Fix Your Apps. In this video, we're going to show you how to use Times New Roman in Word on mobile, step by step. Now let's get started. First, open your Word app and launch the document you want to work with. Make sure it's the one where you want to apply the font change. Next, tap and drag to highlight the specific text you want to modify. You can do this by pressing and holding on the text, then adjusting the selection handles. Now tap on the Home tab at the bottom of the screen. This is where you'll find all the essential formatting options. Look for the font group in the Home tab. This section lets you adjust font type, size, and even add styles like bold or italic. Tap the font selection button inside the font group. Scroll through the list and look for Times New Roman, then tap to select it. Once selected, your highlighted text will instantly change to Times New Roman. It's that simple and clean. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Fix Your Apps for more helpful mobile tutorials.